Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S90 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up settings and from here choose storage where you should see your SD card. As you can see, there is mine SD SanDisk. Tap on it, then it takes you to the actual storage and all of its content, and then here you want to tap on three dots and go into storage settings where you should see the format option. Tap on this, then you will be provided with a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card, and if there is something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But if you don't care, you don't want to remove it, then just tap erase and format. The process immediately begins and it only takes a couple seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more. Tap on done and we're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.